Yes, green tea, the power of green tea and the best way to make green tea to maximize your weight loss. So let's get right into the video. Katia, guys, welcome you guys so much. Today we're going to be talking about the proper way on how to use green tea to lose weight. A whole lot of people have misinformation on how to properly use green tea to lose weight. So before we get into the video, please consider clicking the red button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and also share this video with your friends. So green tea has so many benefits, but we're going to leave the weight loss portion for the last. So I will share with you guys how to make an amazing green tea to help facilitate weight loss. But however, green tea has so many benefits. Let's talk about 10 benefits of green tea, and then I'm going to leave the last because I'm going to be sharing with you the best way to make green tea to lose weight. Green tea will help to improve your brain function. Green tea will help to lower blood sugar. If you have high insulin diabetes, you might want to consider taking some green tea. Green tea will also help to lower your cholesterol, lower your blood pressure. Green tea is awesome. It is loaded with a whole lot of vitamin C. And another amazing thing I love about green tea is that it helps to banish mouth odor. People who have mouth odor, or even people who have diabetes, because some people have diabetes and they're not even aware of that, and when they breathe or talk to you, their breath tends to smell very bad, or if you have bad mouth odor hygiene, you might want to consider drinking green tea. Not only for those who have bad mouth hygiene. Green tea regularly helps to bring out the best breath in you. So that's amazing thing. I love that about green tea. Green tea will also help to grow your hair. If you're looking into growing your hair, consider washing your hair with green tea. I'm not looking to grow my hair, so don't even sit there and say, oh, how come my hair is not grow? No, I cut my hair on a regular basis. This is just in case you want to grow your hair. Consider washing your hair with green tea. Green tea is an awesome, amazing antioxidant and anti-aging, anti-wrinkle. You might also want to consider washing your face on a daily basis with green tea. I personally use green tea as a toner. You guys must have watched one of my videos where I wash my face with green tea. I will leave that link at the first comment section. You can go ahead and learn how to dunk your face in green tea to help reduce wrinkle formation. That is one amazing thing I love about green tea. Green tea will also help to give your bone extra strength, decreasing osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Try green tea. You can soak your feet and your hands into green tea to help alleviate the pain from arthritis. Green tea is awesome. Study has said that green tea can help fight cancer. Now let's get into making the green tea to help you lose weight. The amazing, appropriate way to use green tea to lose weight. Let's get into that. So to make the most out of the green tea to lose weight, in here I have the green tea leaves. This is the green tea leaves. I love using the green tea leaves. Green tea leaves. You don't really have to use the green tea leaves. You can go ahead and use your regular green tea bag. But I just love using the green tea bag, green tea leaves. You can also use matcha green tea. So I have it here sitting in hot water. So to complete this green tea for weight loss, we are going to be using the rind of the lemon. This lemon is washed and frozen. This is frozen lemon. We need the rind of the lemon. So both the rind and the juice. So for you to really grate your lemon, you need to freeze it. If you don't freeze it, you cannot get what you're looking for. Also, consider freezing your lemon. If you buy them in bulk, the best way to store them is to freeze them. So I have enough rind here. I am also going to be grating the ginger. So grate your ginger. Because ginger really helps to facilitate weight loss. However, bear in mind that when you're looking to lose weight, you should really curb and cut down on the sugar intake and the carbohydrate intake that you take on daily basis to help facilitate your weight loss. So many of you guys has approached me asking me some questions about weight loss, but when we try to get into the kind of food they eat on a regular basis, they're not eating healthy. However, I am not a dietitian. I'm just telling you based on my experience and my research. So, what I have here, it's about 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and 1 tablespoon of grated lemon rind. This is still hot. You want to leave it for another 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you are going to sieve your green tea. So sieve. So I have a good amount of the green tea that I am going to be consuming for 1 serving. However, whatever is left here, I will add more water to this. Put this back in here and close this up for later use. So I have my green tea, this one, this I can drink for now and this I can save later. So guys, thank you for your time. Go ahead and enjoy your green tea, and personally, I do not want to add honey. Do not add honey to your green tea if you want to get the maximum benefits of green tea, and remember why you are consuming that. So have your green tea in the morning and at night. So remember also to cut down on your sugar intakes and your carbohydrates to get the maximum benefits of green tea. Thank you. Bye bye for now.